Hello. Well, welcome to Waggies Travels. We're Lisa's on our lunch break, so we're making the most of having a quick walk to go and let the dog do her ablutions.
Yeah, and have a runabout.
And have a runabout. Yeah, I'm not going to have a runabout. The dogs will have a runabout. We have. It's coming up a year now that. That we've lived here. So I'm not going to get the dog on camera doing what she does, because no one wants to see that. Yeah. So we've lived in this lovely Cornish village now for nearly a year, and it's sort of changed us, isn't it? She's having bag issues. So yeah, it's sort of changed us. I think.
I love it here.
Yeah. Compared to where we were and what we were doing, and anyway, that's the dog picking thing done.
Oh, come this way.
I
don't know if she's finished yet.
Yeah. So we're taking the dog just to go and have a runabout. It's definitely colder today, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, we've seen all the seasons now that we've lived here.
Yeah.
A year, haven't we? So.
But for anyone who knows Cornwall, we're just between. How would you sum it up? Well, everyone knows Loo. Everyone knows Loo in Cornwall because it's the first place you fall off the bridge, and it's the first sort of holiday, seasidey, Cornish villagey place. But we're in a little village called St Germans, which is it's absolutely lovely.
It's a residential place as opposed to a holiday place.
Yeah,
so
this is it.
We get the best of all worlds. We live 2 minutes from the nearest beach, but we don't have a big influx of people here.
Yeah.
Reading,
well, this is it, and we've got the key, as you know, because you've. We've got the key, as in Quay, not Key. Which is really nice, where we can go and relax and sit down there and watch the water. On that kind of note, water, that's something we're looking into, isn't it? We're looking into getting a little boat. So we. That's the royal we. Yeah.
Yeah. Waggies afloat.
Hang on a minute, bear with us. I'm just gonna turn you round.
Well,
there we go. That's it. So we can now see the back of Lisa's head.
Well, they can hear my voice.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Back again.
Go on. So this is the village. There's the
The dog's just desperate to get where she's going.
yeah, the dog knows what she's doing. So I thought we could have a Waggies cruising, as opposed to Waggies Travels. Waggy on the water. So this is our little village, and it is rather nice, if I say so myself. Little kid, is he? Oh, hang on a minute. Apparently we're going under the bridge. I'm going to try not to get run over. There's our builder, just disappearing. We're having some work done, aren't we?
Yeah, having a garden sorted, aren't we?
Yeah.
Come on, you get
That's it. Yeah, we're having the garden sorted. So hopefully we'll have a nice patio.
Well, I already know where my that double bench that I've got.
Yeah.
It's going down the end of that flat bit again.
Okay. And we're going to have
looking up at the house.
We're going to have a swimming pool.
Well, I keep calling it. It's a big, yes, a swimming pool, but it's just be a small pool. Yes.
Right. So it'll be a splash pool.
Sort of, yes.
Excellent.
You'll be able to get it, go in and cool yourself off, but I'm going to do the backstroke particularly.
Remember to do the backstroke?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, there's something somewhere. It does have one of those big tools that you have to keep taking up and down.
Yeah.
And they seem to be getting bigger and bigger, don't they, that you buy from supermarkets.
Yeah.
We're just going to have a rigid sided tool built in to the garden, so we don't have to keep taking it up and down.
That's fair enough.
Yeah, so that's a bit nice.
I've decided this is going to be a new feature. We're going to have a section called the Daily Chat, the Daily Moan,
Yeah.
the Daily completely
Daily, let's call it
the daily, the completely unedited, as you see it, is as it comes chat. Anyway, this is the walk up to what the kids affectionately call the wreck.
And we thought it was going to be a derelict building.
Yeah, this is it. We're looking for a derelict building, and it isn't. It's actually a recreation ground, which is great because you can bring the dog up here. And can you hear the train? You see the train? Yeah, bring the dog up here and let the dog have a run around, play with a ball. Please close the gate. I can do that. I can close the gate. Well, I thought I could close the gate. The gate is now closed. Can you hear the train? It's just what are we doing? That's it. The gate's closed. So Winnie doing her own thing.
Bring me the ball.
Is she going to do as she's told?
Good girl. That's a good girl. Ball's a bit
Oh, look at that. What a good girl.
grass is long, isn't it? Good girl. That's a good girl. Leave it then. Leave it.
Oh, I don't know if you can hear her. Oh. I couldn't be this energetic. So anything else to report on the daily gossip moan?
Only I'm having a midlife crisis.
Yeah, she's having a midlife crisis.
Want to get off the
She wants to get.
hamster wheel and just do something. Oh,
Yeah, she You want to oh, where'd you go? You went there. Hang on a minute. That was weird. I pushed the wrong button and you're jumping around. So yeah, so Lisa. Oh. Hey. Where's she gone? There she is. The dog's as mad as a March hare.
got a great remarks moustache with that leaf on her face.
Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? I've missed her.
It's still there.
Here she comes. Oh. Yeah, Lisa's decided she's going to get off the rat run reel. She doesn't know what to do yet, but she's going to do something. Can you see the dog? Look at her. Look at Winnie. Look, she's got a bloody leaf. Oh, yeah, a leaf stuck to her nose. Look.
Right, ready? What's thrown at your dim back?
Look, it's over there.
Take your eye off the ball.
Look. So this is look. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, so as I was saying and completely forgot, we the kids call this the wreck, so we assumed it was like the wreck of a boat, didn't we? Yeah, and it's not. It's actually the recreation ground. So,
No.
oh. I couldn't be this energetic. Oh. I know she's going to eat the grass. You. Is there anything else to report on today's roundup?
No, we need a trip away.
Yeah,
I feel like
we're still having issues with the bus, aren't we? The van has got to go back to Manchester again to have the engine sorted. As you all know, had a reconditioned engine sorted, it's got issues. So it's currently in my local garage having one of the issues fixed so that I can drive it back. But
Winnie,
what?
Winnie,
She's going to eat grass instead.
bring it here.
What? Well, we ideally need a trip away before Christmas if we can, but I don't know.
Oh, we need Winter Wonderland. Is that not?
Oh, that's true. Yeah. So Winter Wonderland. Winter
No, that's twice you've done that now.
Oh. Oh.
Catching my finger, huh?
That's naughty. So.
Good girl.
Right, I'm back in the room. Yeah, so that's it. That's today's summary, about 12 minutes of it.
Winnie.
We'll try and won't do anything tomorrow because I've got to do working, but Sunday I'm sure we can report back and go somewhere and do something else. Anyway, thanks for watching our daily roundup. I've decided this is going to be a new thing, except it won't be daily. It will be a when I'm not working roundup of things going on in the Waggies Travels household. Hang on, I've turned the camera around now. I wish you could see this. Hang on a minute. Hang on. So the dog is still going balmy. So if you've liked our little video, give us the thumbs up. What else? Subscribe.
You have to subscribe, don't you? Subscribe.
So, and
you have to ring the bell.
for notification.
Ring the bell.
Right. We'll be back soon.
Not ring the bell.
But ring the bell. We'll be back soon. See you later. Bye.